Okay guys, so let's now work with our horizontal scroll view for our registration page, and now we're able to scroll it. Let's implement the exactly same logic as it is implemented by the Facebook. Okay, we're going back to our Xcode project where you will go to Make Sorter Board. The first thing I want to do is I want the scroll view to be disabled. I want to the user to be unable to scroll it himself with his finger swipes. Okay, select your scroll view here. Go to Attribute Inspector right over here. Make sure that you have selected the scroll view and remove this check mark scrolling enabled. Okay, you can check your project build and run, and you must be now unable to scroll your page. Excellent. So we're now unable to do this. But what we want is whenever we type some valid email, once we click that, then we want us to be thrown to the next page. So as you remember, we've created the action connections for our continue buttons. Here, email continue button here, we will write we want the scroll view to be moved to the next page. So for that purpose, we'll have to create the outlet connection to the scroll view because we need to manipulate it programmatically. We're going to Main Sorter Board and select your scroll view in the left panel. Call Assistant Editor. Let's create an outlet connection here. I'll select the automatic. I'll scroll to the top. Here, scroll view. I'll put it right on the top user interface object because this one is a mother object, scroll view. Okay, excellent. Let's come back now to our register VC. Here in email continue button, we will write scroll view.set content offset. This one will be our point, which we want to declare. Let's write here let position equals to CG point, open and close round bracket, select X and Y. Y it will be 0 because we don't want to change a horizontal position. And the X will be the next screen, so starting from this point, so it will be the width of the screen. Self dot view dot frame width, here we go. And here content offset, here we'll write position animated true, move to the next page, or move scroll view horizontally means by X to the width of the screen here as a pointer. Okay, let's now build and run our app. So I'm going to register page here. I'll write, let's say, michael.gmail.com. I'll click continue, and here we go. This is exactly the behavior that we want from our app. And the same we will do for the first and last name. I'll just simply copy this and place in the full name continue button clicked. The only changes here will be now we want, so as we've thrown to the width of the screen, previous one, so we want one more time to be thrown. So here we'll simply multiply it by 2, double width. Okay, we'll now build it and run. Okay, so let's write now some email. mail@mail.com, continue. Here let's write Michael V. Continue. Excellent. This is what exactly we want, and we're doing the same logic for the password. Here I'll just simply copy this and paste here. So in this case we'll multiply it by 3. That one will be 3 width. And we'll build and run this again. Michael@mail.com. Excellent. Michael George. Excellent. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Excellent. So for the birthday, our continue button is disabled, but this is exactly what we will implement here. Birthday continue button, even though we're now unable to access this. Here it will be multiplied by 4. So this is, guys, how we are implementing our uh, continue button. Guys, that's really awesome, and that's really super cool. So that's really amazing. I'm really happy from this. So now the next step will be to implement here a date picker. So let's go into this.